Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upload photos to iCloud to free up space. All right, let's begin. First, open your settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then go to iCloud and select Photos. Make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on so your photos automatically upload to iCloud. Next, open the Photos app and tap Select at the top right. Choose the photos you want to upload. After selecting them, tap the Share icon and choose Save to Files. This allows you to move the photos into iCloud Drive. At the top, you may see your iPhone storage location. Tap Browse and switch to iCloud Drive. Select the folder where you want to store your photos, then tap Save. This will upload your selected photos to iCloud. Once the upload is complete, return to your Photos app. Select the same images and delete them by tapping the trash icon. To fully free up space, go to the recently deleted folder and remove them permanently. So that's basically how you can upload photos to iCloud to free up space. That's it for this video. Thanks.